Di video kali ini saya mengambil pertandingan yaitu final Liga Champions antara Manchester City melawan Chelsea. Di sini terjadi pelanggaran pertama oleh Chelsea. Kemudian blocking yang baik dilakukan oleh pemain Manchester City. Di sini Chelsea mendapatkan peluang lagi tapi diblok lagi oleh pemain bertahannya Manchester City. Body charge yang dilakukan oleh pemain Chelsea kepada penyerang Manchester City sangat baik. Kemudian di sini Chelsea mendapatkan peluang lagi tetapi penyerang Chelsea tidak berhasil mencetak gol ke gawang Manchester City. Terjadi serang balik, kemudian diblocking oleh pemain bertahannya Chelsea. Dan kemudian di sini ada pelanggaran menarik baju pemain Chelsea. Lalu pemain Chelsea mendapat peluang yaitu syuting dari sisi kanan dari kiper tapi tidak menghasilkan gol.
He's the tiniest tot on the field, but he came storming through from all of 5'6" and got his header away.
Within the context of the game, you can see why it's so. But he likes a surprise.
Walker. Foden inside of him, De Bruyne wide of him. It's Kevin De Bruyne.
Blocking yang bagus lagi dilakukan oleh pemain bertahannya Chelsea.
Had already been raised. He missed out Mount. It came to Chilwell, asking Walker to keep on galloping.
Di sini terjadi pelanggaran oleh pemain Chelsea kepada pemain Manchester City. Chelsea di sini mendapatkan tendangan bebas.
Sterling for De Bruyne. De Bruyne for Foden. Across came Rudiger and critically so.
Kemudian di sini ada blocking sangat baik dilakukan oleh pemain Chelsea yaitu Rudiger.
Walker who's off and running and taking on Chilwell and feeding it just beyond the stretching Mahrez. Wide on the other side, Conte has played in Kai Havertz. What a terrifically clean tackle. That's a critical moment from Alexander Zinchenko. De Bruyne caught up. Silva saw Chilwell, but so did Walker. Driving at Chilwell, teasing Chilwell. Mahrez, but his day is done.
Clearly upset.
Chilwell floated towards Timo Werner.
Peluang pemain Chelsea, strikernya mendapatkan peluang manis di depan gawang yaitu mendapatkan umpan datar dari gelandang serangnya. Kemudian penyerang Chelsea mengecoh kiper dengan cara mengkepingnya ke bagian kiri lalu menendangnya ke gawang. Setelah gawang ditinggalkan oleh penjaga gawang Manchester City.
And Pep has it to do. In by Conte, taken by Werner and scratched behind. If one of those two or both of those two are playing, is it too simplistic to say that goal might not have happened? Walker with confidence. Put off a little more than he could chew. It's half-time. Chelsea blue is the colour against Chelsea. Chelsea chased it and won at the last. But in 36 of the last 43 European Cup finals, the team who scored first went on to win it. Free kick taken, you'd have to say, from nowhere near the offence.
Di sini terjadi pelanggaran, pemain Chelsea menginjak kaki dari pemain Manchester City.
Foden plays it in, Conte's there to meet it.
Blocking yang buruk yang dilakukan oleh pemain Chelsea hampir saja mengenai tangan dari pemain Chelsea.
Picked off with comfort by Edouard Mendy. By Diaz. Walker's a little uncertain. Stones is there to well in charge in 2020. And Manchester City are losing here. No first. Flicked in by Ben Chilwell. Here's De Bruyne.
Kemudian di sini pemain Chelsea melakukan tackling sangat baik kepada penyerang Manchester City.
And still charging with a thigh problem. Having played in the cup final, that was a Premier League.
Di sini terjadi benturan keras antara Kevin De Bruyne pemain Manchester City dengan Rudiger pemainnya Chelsea. Benturan ini menyebabkan Kevin De Bruyne mengalami luka di bagian pelipis matanya. Sepertinya Kevin De Bruyne tidak bisa melanjutkan pertandingan.
By Jorginho, struck into the crowd by Sterling, who's screaming handball. And the Spanish referee is waving it away. Now, Foden making mischief. Phil Foden.
Terjadi pergantian pemain dari Manchester City, masuk Fernando Silva.
Swung in by Zinchenko. Christensen. It's Phil
Di
Foden.
sini hampir terjadi gol,
It's lifted away almost from the
tetapi blocking yang baik dilakukan oleh pemain bertahan Chelsea.
How he got the ball over the bar from there was incredible, but
Fed Morris. He can play in.
Terjadi peluang kedua dari penyerang Chelsea, tetapi tidak menjadi gol. Bola melewati sisi kanan daripada gawang.
Fernandinho and Sterling and Jesus and Chilwell to safety. Aguero complete.
Pergantian kedua dari Manchester City, masuk Sergio Aguero, keluar Raheem Sterling.
Chilwell forced wide.